My name is Alex Saulman, and I am a clinical liaison at Southern Indiana Rehab Hospital. Our orthopedic program at SIRH is designed to provide therapeutic recovery to patients that might be faced with some of the following conditions: post-reconstructive joint surgery, hip fractures, amputations, multiple fractures, sports injuries, back surgeries, and neck injuries. Our goal is to restore mobility and enable patients to return to their productive lifestyle through individualized treatment plans developed through collaboration between the therapist, patient, and their family. We provide a continuum of care in order to meet the needs of our patients as they progress throughout their recovery. Our subacute and acute inpatient rehab programs provide patients with an intensive in-house therapy program, which allows for medical management and education for the safe return home. Our outpatient programs at the main campus and our River Ridge location are designed for patients that do not require the intensity of an inpatient program, or for those who have graduated from our inpatient program and need continued refinement to reach their functional goals. We would be honored to be chosen to assist you throughout your rehab journey. Please contact Southern Indiana Rehab Hospital with any questions regarding our orthopedic rehab program. Thank you.